Did you know that the names of tropical cyclones in the Western Pacific Cyclone Basin, to which the Philippines belongs, are assigned by the Japan Meteorological Agency, otherwise known as JMA, and the Typhoon Committee of the World Meteorological Organization, or WMO? The WMO is in charge of and oversees the naming system, but has delegated the task of actually naming cyclones to the JMA. The name is given once a cyclone's wind speeds reach the minimum threshold of 63 kph. Each of the 14 member states of the WMO Typhoon Committee was asked to submit 10 names to comprise the list, and the names are rotated until retired if the cyclones they represent are particularly destructive. The names are used internationally, but not in alphabetical order, as is the case in the Philippines. Although a member of the WMO Typhoon Committee since 1963, the Philippines, through its agency called the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration, or PAGASA, has been issuing local names to cyclones distinct from their international names. PAGASA names cyclones locally, once they enter the so-called Philippine Area of Responsibility, or PAR, which is bounded by imaginary lines connecting the coordinates 5 degrees north, 115 degrees east, 15 degrees north, 115 degrees east, 21 degrees north, 120 degrees east, 25 degrees north, 120 degrees east, 25 degrees north, 135 degrees east, and 5 degrees north, 135 degrees east. PAGASA has 4 rotating lists that it uses to name tropical cyclones, each of which does not use names which start with F, Enya, Q, X, and Z, all letters not present in the native Abacada or Filipino alphabet. Although cyclones in the Western Pacific Basin already have international names as given by the JMA, PAGASA feels it has to issue local names that are more familiar and easier to remember for Filipinos. This in turn helps to raise public awareness within the Philippines and improve communication for warnings about weather disturbances. The names given used to be all female names, such as Bising, Oring, and Crising. In the present day, PAGASA includes male names such as Dante and Among, and even non-human names that include flowers, animals, objects, and other nouns. PAGASA also retires names of particularly destructive cyclones. To quantify if the cyclone has either killed at least 300 people or caused at least 1 billion Philippine pesos in damage to infrastructure and agriculture. A classic typhoon was the monstrous typhoon Yolanda of 2013, internationally known as Haiyan. The name Yolanda will never be used by PAGASA again. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world around us. Thanks for watching.